Iggesund Paperboard's UK mill, renowned producer of the premium Incada family of products, nestles in an area of great natural beauty adjoining the Lake District. Special measures have been taken to ensure this beautiful and sensitive environment is protected. A big part of that is production of clean, renewable energy to power the mill. At the core of these measures is the mill's new biopower plant, which runs on virgin biomass from sustainable sources such as local forests, energy crops or sawmill waste. The biomass is cut, chipped and transported to the boiler. The boiler then heats up water, turning it to steam, which drives the turbine. The biopower plant produces both electricity and thermal energy to operate the mill, and excess electricity is sold to the national grid. What's all this energy needed for? Well, a fair share of it goes into producing Incada, a premium paperboard product globally recognized as a market leader. This is how it's manufactured. Trucks load logs of UK-grown spruce into a debarking drum where they're stripped of their bark. From there, they're fed into a chipper. The logs are cut into small chips, which are then, for quality reasons, screened to remove unwanted sizes. The result is perfect wood chips, the best possible start for the pulp-making process. The chips are refined into individual fibers. Water is added, and after passing through a series of fiber screenings, followed by bleaching, the mechanical pulp is ready for use. However, the process also requires chemical pulp, part of which is supplied by Iggesund, Sweden. The inner layers of mechanical pulp add strength and bulk, while dual outer layers of bleached chemical pulp give Incada its superb surface, printability and strength properties like bending stiffness. Many of Incada's superior properties are created at the first section, which starts shaping the pulp into board. The first layer is formed on a bottom wire and the water drains downwards. The middle layers are formed consecutively above the first and stabilized by individual upper wires, through which water is removed upwards by suction. The final ply is formed separately and combined with the other four in order to achieve the desired characteristics. Sandwiched between two felts, the paperboard is pressed between hard rolls. The water is effectively removed, with the moisture content in the paperboard at the end of the press section having fallen to about 50%. Then comes the drying section, where the board passes over steam-heated polished cylinders, which gradually further reduce its moisture. Important strength properties are established here. The steam-heated machine glazing cylinder dries the web without any loss of thickness, ensuring excellent stiffness properties. This surface treatment is key for producing top-quality folding boxboard. At the surface sizing stage, a starch solution is applied to both sides of the web to prepare it for coating. It binds the fibers to the surface and adds strength to the board. The paperboards then press between steel rolls to further even out the surface and increase smoothness. This also controls the board's thickness and density. A white pigmented coating is applied and smoothed out over the surface. This can be done on one or both sides depending on the product. Each layer is dried independently by infrared dryers. The paperboards then reeled onto a large steel core. The massive roll is then cut down into smaller reels. Some reels are wrapped for dispatch direct to customers. Others are sheeted into customer-specified sizes. Incada is the paperboard of choice for discerning customers around the world. It's used for the most demanding applications within confectionery, pharmaceuticals, foodstuffs, healthcare and much more. It's achieved this preferred status thanks to its superior quality that very much stems from the Iggesund Workington Mill's strong control philosophy at every stage of the production process.